worst feelings as a sales rep, like an SDR or a BDR or an AE that does their own prospecting, is to call somebody, cold call them while they're in bed or while they're eating dinner, and you didn't mean to do it, right? Maybe there's a time that you mean to give a call at that time, but for a lot of people, we like to call during business hours. So it's important that you can filter your tasks based on where your contact's time zone is. So about a year ago, maybe a little bit less, HubSpot finally gave the ability to filter your tasks by contact time zone. So I want to quickly show you how to do that. But first, you can also edit your columns to include this. So I would recommend doing that to start. All right. And I'm probably going to move this up so that I can quickly see it. Okay. So we've done that. So now in my views, I can see this is all dummy data. So no surprise that nothing's popping up here. So now that I've got that as a quick way to look, now I want to set some filters so that I can quickly, come in to start my day. I want to make all my East Coast calls and I want to be able to run through them. So here's what I would do. I would do the assignee to me. Not going to do that at the moment, but then I'll jump into more filters. So I have uncompleted tasks. Then I'm going to do task type. All right. And we want it to be calls, right? We don't want emails of East Coast people, which you could do that. But right now I want to do calls. So I'll apply that filter. And then we will do contact time zone right here. And I want to do Eastern US. All right. So now, as you can see, I've got nothing to run through here. But if I had, say, 15, 20 leads that fit that criteria, I'd be able to hit start on my task player and run through those calls, not have to worry about calling someone when they're in bed. So if I can have one person avoid that fate with this video, I will be a happy person.